everyone, my name is Jake Vernon, your Pfannenberg signaling specialist. Today we're going to be talking about our PYRA series visual signaling devices. What we have here is our PYRA small, our PYRA medium, and our PYRA large. You'll see in some of the abbreviations they are PYX-S, M, and L. With each one of these devices, you can get them with a audible component, but they come standard with the visual feature as the predominant feature for them. With each one of these, you get the Pfannenberg's exclusive 10-year warranty, and as I mentioned, the audible sounder can come with each one of them as well. With the small, you can get them with the additional PA1 on the bottom, and with the medium and the large, they come integral into the device. So you can see here the sounding device is actually built into the unit with each one of these. You'll get a 5 joule light intensity out of this one. The medium, you can get this in a 10 or a 5 joule as well, and then the large comes in a 15 joule. In some subsequent videos, we will talk a little bit behind how to wire each one of these devices and some of the unique selling points that you have for each one of them. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon.